Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I will show you how to integrate AutoDS with your Amazon selling account. This integration will help you automate and optimize your dropshipping business. First, if you haven't already, sign up for an AutoDS account and make sure you have an active Amazon Seller Central account. Both accounts are essential for the integration. Now, log into the AutoDS and go to the integration section. Select Amazon from the list and follow the instructions to link your Amazon Seller Central account with AutoDS. Now, once your accounts are linked, you can start importing products from Amazon to your AutoDS dashboard. Use the AutoDS product research tool to find profitable items and import them with one click. After that, set up automated order fulfillment within AutoDS. This feature will automatically process orders and update tracking information, saving you time and reducing errors. And that is how you integrate AutoDS with Amazon. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.